The ancient Chinese martial art of Qigong uses breathing and meditation to improve health and extend longevity. And no one understands this better than these three Taiwanese men, practitioners of Qigong. They have been trained to pull a 10-ton truck using only their private parts. They believe that strengthening the reproductive organs brings them closer to physical and spiritual well-being. In fact, this 71-year-old man has been practicing Qigong for years. Amazingly, these men are able to pull the truck loaded with 50 people for almost 30 feet. Believe it or not.